Hey folks, welcome back to another video. If you regularly use Google Docs and you want to attach, say, a live Google Sheet into your document, you can now do that with the steps that I'm going to be showing you in this video. So in this video, I will be showing you how to embed a live Google spreadsheet into your Google Doc. So this is the sample Google Sheet that I have here. This has the sales data of say 2020 to 2021. And this has the name of the sales rep, the region of sales where the rep is currently selling the products, the quality of sales, and the quantity of sales. Oops, just change this. So here we have the quantity of sales, and then we have the total amount secured from the sales that the sales rep has made. So our plan is to embed this Google Sheet into this Google Doc. So this is the Google Doc that needs to contain the sales data of 2020 to 2021, and we need to embed the Google Sheet here. So in presentations, whenever you do presentation, you don't want to maybe show a Google Sheet as your presentation. Normally you would maybe copy, you would make a new table here by inserting, going to table and making the rows and stuff like that. But you can use, now you can embed a live Google Sheet into your Google Doc. So now that we have the Google Doc and the Google Sheet ready, it's time to embed it. So the first step that's going to be copying the range. So I say, yeah, you don't want, maybe now the sales of the year is over, right? So you want to select the maybe this. So this is from the range A1 to D6. So this is the range that I want to embed into my Google Doc here. So you just have to go ahead and select that and just copy. If you're using a Windows, it's going to be Control C. If you are on a Mac, it's going to be Command C. And just go ahead and copy the range. I'm just going to copy it one more time. I'm going to copy it. Now you go to the Google Doc, and wherever you want to say embed it or paste the Google Sheet, you just need to go ahead and Control V for Windows and Command V for Mac. I'm going to go ahead and paste this. So after pasting, you have two options. There's going to be one is going to be linked to the spreadsheet. This means that if your data changes constantly in the Google Sheet, you have an option that it will update it on the Google Doc. So I am gonna do the link to spreadsheet so that if I make a change here, I change this name or I change the sales, it's automatically gonna change in the Google Doc. The second option is paste unlink. Maybe your year is over, your year of sales is over for this year. So you might just want to have a unlinked Google Sheet, so you can just go ahead and select that. But for now, I'm just going to be doing link to spreadsheet so that I can show you the update and delete commands that are there. After this, just go ahead and click on paste. You can see the Google Sheet has successfully been embedded in the Google Sheet. Here you have some more options. You can maybe change the range, you can open the source, you can unlink it and stuff like that. So now the previous option that we selected was link to the spreadsheet, right? So that meant if I make a change in the Google Sheet, it's going to be reciprocating the same changes in the Google Doc. So just going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go to this range. I'm just going to change this from south to west. I'm going to go back here. Here you can see as soon as I made the change here, I have an update that says button. So it says update from add sheets to Google Docs. That's going to be the name of the sheet, right? You want to have the name of the sheet there. Just going to click on update. You can just focus on the south button here. I click on update. You can see the south has turned to west. You can see this is how we change the data and stuff like that here. Now we have some other commands here. You can see we can insert rows below. We can pin this to the header row, or we can move the rows here also and stuff like that. So this is all that you can do by embedding the Google Sheet into the Google Doc. The same is for if you make a change here, it's automatically going to be making a change here since the Google Sheets are linked together. So this is all for this video. I hope you have understood how to embed Google Sheets into Google Docs. I'll be leaving the Google Sheet and the Google Doc link in the description. You can check that out. Also, if you are interested in learning Google Apps Script, I have created a course on Udemy that is a step-by-step course to learn Google Apps Script. I'll be leaving that link too in the description. You can check that out. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and for more content, hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video.